Hello, it's Ghost Queen. So, as you can see from my hands, it's only been a couple of hours since I filmed my last nail tutorial type video, and, after that, I was looking through my Instagram feed, and I stumbled across this nail art by, crap, forgot their username. Okay, I just looked it up. Perfect 10 Custom Nails, their Instagram page is on the screen right now. And, the nail art, looks like this. It's on the screen right now. And, I thought, I could probably recreate that. Now, given the fact that this person is most likely a professional nail technician, and they most likely use professional grade materials, it probably won't look exactly like this. But I have a feeling I can achieve sort of the overall feel of it, and by it, I mean the accent nail, not the surrounding nails, because the surrounding nails are just black. Maybe they're slightly metallic, maybe they're like dark blue, I don't know actually. But yeah, I don't think there's any use in recreating that. But I do want to try recreating the accent nail, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. And I still can't find that the sample nail wheel that I have. But I did find another spoon, and I did edit that video. I'm pretty sure it's been a while since you guys have seen it, but I did edit that video, and I felt like it was a lot easier to see on the spoon rather than me doing it on some acrylic nails or on my tiny ass nails right here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to recreate something made by a professional nail technician on a spoon. Wish me luck. Alright, so I know the original nail's background is white, but I don't really have a pure white polish, so I'm going to be using the super duper light pink. It actually appears white on the camera, as well as some of this white shimmer to add a little bit more depth. And I also have some of this darker but light pink, and some of this sort of pinkish silver. Now, I apologize in advance, some of these colors are really old because I haven't used them in a while. But I'm pretty sure it'll work fine for what I'm going to do. So first and foremost, pretend that this thing is a nail, and I'm going to be applying some base coat to it. Once that is dry, I'm going to take my lightest pink color, and I'm going to be painting that on the spoon. So I've applied about 2 coats on the spoon and let them both fully dry. Now we're going to be moving on to the next step. So for the next step, you're going to need some acrylic paint. I have black, I have red, I have brown, and I also have pink. And I'm going to be using those to get those sort of cherry blossom things going on. And for some extra pizzazz, let's also use gold. Why not? So first, I'm going to be mixing my black and a tiny bit of brown together to get a really dark brown. And you know what? I'm actually going to use my paint palette for this. And here I've watered down the paint quite a bit, and now I'm going to be applying it in a similar manner to the smoke nails that I have on my hands, only this time it's a lot more strategic. You kind of have to paint a tree. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, and I accidentally kind of moved on to the next step without you guys, but once you sort of have your tree branch, you want to start using some more water to sort of, I don't know, fan out the paint a little bit, like this, to get more of a dusty, I guess, I don't know what this effect is called. It just makes it look more like a traditional Chinese or Japanese painting. So basically you just want to keep doing that and get a more sort of charcoaly look, I guess? I don't know. What even is this effect called? I have never studied art itself before, whoops. So I don't know what actual techniques are called. Just do it till it looks right. So now I have sort of a tree going on, and I've got that sort of charcoal paint type of effect going on. So here I've mixed up a reddish pink. I just mixed my pink and red paints together, and I'm going to be adding a few drops of water to that and then painting on the flowers. Now to add the flowers, you're going to need a Q-tip and your brush. And first you want to pick where you want the flower to go. So I'm gonna have my first flower be somewhere right here. So I'm gonna drop that watered down paint right where I want it to go. Then I'm gonna take my Q-tip and I'm gonna tap at it, and that's one petal. And then sort of just keep adding to it and taking away from it, adding to it some more, taking away from it some more, and then keep going until you get the desired flower shape. Add a little bit more depth to your flowers. Mix some of that dark brown that you made earlier into your pink to get sort of that dark pinkish brown color that I'm mixing right now, and then add those to your flowers. And like I said earlier, to add a little bit of pizzazz, I'm going to be using some watered down gold acrylic paint. This is from this brand, so I feel like this brand in particular's gold acrylic paint is more like gold glitter, so I just feel like it'll add to the effect a little bit. So just lightly brush some onto the tree, onto some of the branches, just the underside, to give it sort of a subtle sparkle. Then I'm going in with the watered down black again over the flowers to just frame them one more time. I'm just completely covering the flowers a little bit, like with dots, to sort of be petals, I guess. Then I let them dry for a couple seconds. And then I take the Q-tip and sort of pat at them again. Basically, I just repeat this step until I'm satisfied with my flowers. Because I'm still not getting the desired effect, I'm also going to be adding some white mixed with the pink and watered down, and I'm going to be adding that to the flowers as well. So after a while of messing around, I have something that looks like this. Now, it's probably not the most flattering look, especially because it's on this spoon. I honestly think that it looks kind of weird because it's so large. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a very, very classy look on your nails. I actually want to try this out on my nails later on, after I'm ready to take these off. But yeah, this is how to get that sort of cherry blossom type effect on your nails. And honestly, it does look kind of weird on something this large, but I do think it's kind of cute. I guess it's like kind of classy and I guess a bit formal. So I guess like if you have it like as an accent nail and paint the rest of your nails like a solid color, it will be like a really good formal look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye! Real quick, I almost forgot, you should seal this with a top coat. I'm just kind of getting sick of the fumes right now, so I didn't do this in the video. But if you are painting this on your nails, please do seal it. Acrylic paint does chip very easily, and you don't want to ruin your hard work. So don't forget to seal it with top coat. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!